my favorite first graders. Today's Tuesday, February the 9th of 2021. And today we're working on science. What will we be doing? We will identify characteristics of the seasons of the year. Check out that yellow word, please. Seasons. Say that with me, please. Seasons. Nice. We have 4 seasons in our year. Summer, fall, winter, and spring. Now, these seasons are very different. Today we're going to talk about what are they like. How? We will first watch a weather video, then label and illustrate new vocabulary words. Why? We will understand the different kinds of weather. Do you know anything about the weather? Take a look at my Bitmoji up here. In the clouds. Do you know anything about clouds or sun? We were studying last week all those objects in the sky. Now we got to learn what the weather is doing with those big objects in the sky. What's happening out there? How is it changing? How can you be prepared? First, we're going to watch a video. Then we'll be ready to get our journals, write and draw our new weather words today. Are you ready to see some weather? Attentoscope's on. Here we go. How's the weather today?
How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today?
Say this word with me. Sunny. Nice. Look out your window. Is it sunny today? Yes or no?
Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it rainy today?
Say this R word with me. Rainy. Nice job. Look out your window. Is it rainy today? Yes or no?
Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today?
Say that C word with me. Cloudy. Beautiful. Cloudy. Look out your window. Are there clouds out there today?
Let's look outside. Is it snowy today?
How beautiful. Say it with me. Snowy. Nice job. Look out your window. Did we get snow today? Yes or no? Not today.
How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny?
Sunny.
Is it rainy?
Rainy.
Is it cloudy?
Cloudy.
Is it snowy?
Snowy.
How's the weather today?
Now take a look at all of these different types of weather. We've already talked about what the weather is today, but I want you to also look at what would be your favorite weather. If you were in control of the weather, what would you pick for today? Raise your hand if you would pick sunny. Raise your hand for rainy. Raise your hand for cloudy. Or Last one. Who wants snowy? Raise your hand. They are all beautiful and fun to play in different ways. Let's finish our video so we can go get started.
If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're
I hope you're happy, happy, happy. And I hope you are ready to get started with our new weather words. You will need to get ready first. Please get a pencil. Number 2, please get your crayons. And number 3, what do you think? You will need a journal. 1, 2, 3, my scientists. And let's get to video 2 and start drawing and labeling the weather. See you soon.